Hi, welcome to the Chinese Handwriting YouTube channel. Memorizing characters, the most common Chinese radicals explained in English. In this video, let's talk about 月字旁. 月字旁 Characters with 月字旁 are generally associated with time, the moon, and the body. Yue zi pang on the left or bottom of the Chinese character indicates something related to organ. For example, now, brain,腿 leg, 脚 foot, 腰 waist, 肠 intestine, when 月字旁 on the right side of a character, it mostly indicates time and weather. For example, 七 a period of time. 七朝 means morning. 朗 light. 明 bright. When you write 月字旁 in cursive, you can write it like this. 月字旁 背 back, 肚 belly, 脂肪 fat, 月字旁 time, the moon, and the body related. 脑 brain, 腿 leg, 脚 foot, 腰 waist, 肠 intestine, 七 a period of time, 朝 morning, 朗 light, 明 bright, 背 back, 肚 belly, 脂肪 fat. Please comment any other words or sentence with the Chinese radical 月字旁. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.